Follow my step-by-step gardening guide as I take on the challenge of planting pumpkins for the ideal fall harvest. Planting pumpkins is an exciting venture, especially if you're looking to create that perfect fall harvest. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, getting it right can make all the difference in enjoying a bountiful harvest. In this video, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step process to ensure you get the most out of your pumpkin planting experience. One of the biggest challenges gardeners face when planting pumpkins is timing. It's essential to plant your seeds at the right time to ensure your pumpkins are ready for harvest before the weather starts to cool down. In many regions, this means planting in late spring to early summer, when the soil has warmed up and there's ample sunlight. Another common issue is soil condition. Pumpkins need well-draining, rich soil that's high in organic matter, so it's crucial to test your soil before planting and amend it if necessary. Pests can also be a significant problem when growing pumpkins. Squash bugs, cucumber beetles, and aphids are all common pests that can damage your plants and reduce yields. To combat this, it's essential to keep an eye out for any signs of infestation and take action quickly if you spot any pests. Finally, providing the right support for your pumpkin plants is vital. Pumpkins are a vining crop, so they need something to climb on as they grow. This can be a trellis, a fence, or even a teepee made from bamboo stakes. By understanding these common challenges, we can take steps to overcome them and ensure a successful pumpkin harvest. In the next section, we'll dive into the step-by-step process of planting and caring for your pumpkin plants. When choosing the right pumpkin variety, it's essential to consider the space you have available, the climate you're growing in, and the type of pumpkins you want to grow. Some varieties are better suited to small spaces, while others need more room to spread out. Similarly, certain varieties are more resistant to disease and pests, so it's worth doing some research before making your selection. Once you've chosen your variety, it's time to prepare the soil. Pumpkins need a rich, well-draining soil that's high in organic matter, so add in some compost or well-rotted manure to give your plants a strong start. Next, it's time to plant your seeds. Sow them about an inch deep and 4 to 6 feet apart, in rows that are 6 to 8 feet apart. Water gently but thoroughly, and keep the soil consistently moist as your plants grow. As your pumpkins start to grow, it's essential to provide them with the right care. This includes providing support, keeping the soil consistently moist, and keeping an eye out for any signs of pests or disease. One of the most exciting moments in the pumpkin growing process is when the plants start to blossom. This usually happens about 6 to 8 weeks after planting, and it's a sign that your plants are healthy and thriving. Look out for bright yellow flowers, especially on the female plants, which have a small pumpkin attached to the base of the flower. As the flowers fade, the pumpkins will start to grow, and with the right care, they'll be ready to harvest in about 3 to 4 months. As the pumpkins start to grow, keep an eye out for any signs of disease or pests, and take action quickly if you spot any problems. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist, and provide your plants with the right support as they grow. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying a bountiful harvest of delicious, healthy pumpkins in no time. In this video, we've covered the essential steps for planting and caring for your pumpkin plants. From choosing the right variety to providing the right care, every step is crucial for a successful harvest. Remember to stay vigilant for any signs of pests or disease, and take action quickly if you spot any problems. With a little patience and care, you'll be enjoying a perfect fall harvest in no time. Thanks for joining me on this journey of planting pumpkins for the perfect fall harvest. If you've got any tips or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about gardening and growing delicious fruits and veggies, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks.